Hello everyone, my name is Olabode Afolabi John. I want to show you how to make use of Telegram poll, and this app, it will help both the students and the tutors to achieve maximum result, and then it is full of fun. It reduces stress of marking numerous scripts. You can evaluate up to 200 students at a go, and then not only that, you will be able to see the percentage of the students that are participating, and those students that are coping, students that are getting what you are teaching them, and those ones that you need to work on. To create this, you can create this both poll, and you now share it to the group where you have the student. And you need to take note of this: the group in which you want to share the poll to, you must be an admin or the owner of that group. Let's quickly go now. Click on Telegram app. Come to search. Let me circle where you click now. You see where I circled. Now click here. Type poll. Poll. PollBot. I have some the previous one. Let's click. Let me erase this. Clean the history. Now this is what we have. What you now need to do is click on start. Still loading. Let's create new poll. First send me the question. The movement of the people from one place to another is called you send the question. So please send me the first answer option. Transformer. Now send me another answer question. Transportation. You can go on and on. Let's send another one. If you are done, you will now click on done to publish your poll. So you will now use this link. You share this link to the group of your choice where you have your student. So you see this link. So use this link to share to your group. So let's pick the group. You can send it to this. Add. So it has been sent. Now I can go for good. Yeah. You can see that Afolabi voted for transportation. I mean, click the result to show the percentage. So if more students answer this question, you will be able to see. Let me pause and let's see.